Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to try to help you with the problem of you not being able to send direct messages on TikTok. So the first problem you may have is the privacy settings of the person you want to send direct messages to. So basically, if you click your profile on the bottom right corner and then click the three lines on the top right corner, click settings and privacy, then you click privacy. And here you scroll down to direct messages and you're just gonna click that, and here you're gonna click on allow direct messages from, and here you can see that you can either choose friends, suggested friends, friends, or no one. Now for me it's set to friends, so only the people who are my friends on TikTok can send me direct messages. So if I put this to everyone, then everyone will be able to send me direct messages. So this may be the problem you have, but you can't really do anything with that basically. So if you cannot send a message to a specific person, then it may be their privacy settings, but you can comment on their videos or maybe find them on another social media platform. The second thing you can try is basically just updating the app. So for example, if there's a specific person you cannot send messages to who you've always been able to send messages to, so for example your best friend or your partner, then it's likely a bug of TikTok which may be fixed by updating the application. So you just need to go to Google Play or App Store and just manually update the application. So the third problem may be that your age on TikTok is set to under 16, so this way you won't be able to send direct messages to anyone. So you just need to click your profile on the bottom right corner, then need to tap the three lines on the top right corner, then click settings and privacy. You just go down to privacy and user safety and click on DM age appeal, and just click on the DM age appeal options, and here you will be able to read that you will need to confirm your age 16 or older through one of the following options. You scroll down, you click need more help. You just need to write down your problem to TikTok, and I also recommend you to send them an ID or something for them to be able to verify your age. So you just need to write down your problem to TikTok and they may get back to you soon and will help you if none of the other possible solutions helped you. Alright, so all in all, this is how you can possibly fix the problem of not being able to send messages on TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.